Yo. What is up? As Jamaica's came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Kash, Promise Move, Real Dawgs. I'm gonna jump into the one and see what the G has say. I'm gonna jump into the one and see what. So Real Dawgs, obviously, I'm friend them around him in my talk. You see me? We don't know what one, so we're gonna jump and see what go. Let's go. Light a leash. Yes, I.
Don't get judge of your next day, no?
Straight, nice.
Artist. My style.
Yeah, I know, bro, God.
Yo, you know, some piece of film.
Yo, you know, say jump up still and say, yo, never make some move and see if you can get in some content. But too tough, I know, bro, you know? Yeah, tell you.
Right, I'm going to tonight, I can make too tough, bro.
Let me know, I'm going to follow.
I'm going to style them, man.
Ah?
Don't so you're free, you know. Don't worry yourself, Gary. Don't worry yourself, Gary.
We're there, no, bro, God, you know?
Don't worry yourself.
Fool it. Alright.
Hold on, man. Let me change the scene. Gosh. Oh, the man buckler go on. Oh, where you get them friend here from? So let me get this right. Him not no money. Him come check you. Him say, yo, that artist got thing rich, but you just clearly say you not have none. If him not have none and you not have none, that's fair, that good. Everything nice. So you expect me to have it because you don't have it. Well, I guess we don't get the same 24 hours in a day then. I guess you're not a go-getter then. You go dead. Bad. Let me go the road. Big up Promise Move. Big up JNL.
Yeah, the bro, God.
Yo, lift up, man. Guys, the man going, man.
Artist. Oh, man. Artist.
Yo, bad, bro.
Yeah, the bro, God.
Man, lift up, man.
My boy, I'm going to know I'm doing.
You know, watch them money. By the way, watch them. How far the dog for just a while ago, I beg me a thing and show me tell him something tough. The dog going to send me a pussy. I can't walk for go on at this point, no, bro.
Yeah, watch out, nobody follow him, no, bro, God.
Kash, don't worry yourself. Kash, don't worry yourself. If him call it pussy a good thing. Man love pussy. Him a batty. Him a B-A-T-T-Y, brother. Don't worry yourself, dog.
Yeah, what? Don't make a face.
This point outside here. No.
This part outside here.
One
Yeah,
move.
promise.
Promise move. Yeah. Pick up my real dogs, them. My real dogs, them. Yeah. Dog, my talk, I'ma feel, man, a response.
No.
Plus my whole my own, so me no want to no feel like one who can this man. Me know on the style already. Me know for sure one who can break me medi.
So the pussy down there. You see a man who just come ask Kash for the money. Down there, so in a bar. Cause I see drink on him side. And I'm reason with somebody. About Kash them, of course. It would be rude not to be reasoning about Kash after that conversation. So I could see what the pussy I gonna do. But him for dead another one still. Him not for going on one next scene, him for dead another scene. Yeah.
Fake friendship, me not afraid for any, and me not afraid for put shot for friend enemy. More only thought my friend. When man I go through my rough times in a life, dog, me not see most of them. Thought my friend. When man I go through my rough times in a life.
I'm breaking down. I am breaking down. This is something when him give the youth. Because some white powder or something, yes, sir. So that pussy, get this a bigger pussy, something I man, yes, sir. I'm not sure why yet, but we are going to find out, I guess.
If dog, me not see most of them. The struggles only make me know all my friends, yeah. Me still a find out real from fake. Every day my circle gets smaller, yo. Call me tell a long time for find real friends cares. Who said I'm with me touch a switch? Dog, who cares? Right now that are the better for me.
Right now it's hard to find a true friend and say, yo, they're there for you and you, they're there for me. It's hard, brother. You see me? Very hard to find them because some people always unite with something. You understand? So let's go.
Up on the street, mommy, your son a Jenna for real. Yeah, boy, this me then he made up for lick.
How we are do?
We go up on the street, mommy, your son of Jenna for real, yeah.
What you do, brother? So the powder something what when gear while ago, you put another man them drink too. Okay, bigger pussy. So little pussy gear that, or little body gear that, and bigger body go and put it in another man drink. Alright, bigger body. Let me see what you
Boy, this me done made up for lick. Do the crime myself, man, I go call a brother for do it, yo, the streets call. All who pretend me no. Yeah, hear me. Me just a be real too.
Man,
real to me and it
as I'm comfortable, that's if you have time, that means say him one of the man them friend then, because I'm comfortable. That's all I mix with pussy. I mix. I mix in lab. A blender. Him does a mix it once, alright.
hard for me show, yo. Big up my real dogs, them. My real dogs, them. All of my clean out friends, me real G's, I'm a brother.
What's a taste?
I'ma call them. Big up my real
Him say bumbo clock.
dogs, them. Know if anything
What did I just do? Oh, yourself, man. Junk up.
kick off. Me know a couple things I will offer them. Such a go be the first to squeeze off that, yeah, man. Me only work with people who genuine enough for bad mind. When you see it, so you better win. Everybody have a chance.
A show. I only work with people when know you're genuine. Enough a bad mind when you see your brother win. Cause watch it now. If you know your brother show to you, when you win, when your brother win, you are gonna automatically win too. You're up on the winning team. And if your G loyal to you and you loyal to your G, it's only right for him open the door after him get through the door. So what is the need for you to be bad mind? One help one, and the next one help the next one. Then everybody just draw themselves out of the barrel. Rather than not draw them one out of the barrel. Now if we go from here, someone have to move up.
Work with people who genuine enough for bad mind. When you see it, so you better win. Everybody have a chance. Remember the table spin for see everybody. I elevate, that are the greatest thing.
Just say that. Watch out, pussy here. He must tag us up. He must tag your fuck.
Everybody have a chance. Remember the table spin for see everybody.
Hold on, let me predict this. So him go to put the poison in the man drink. Or whatever I'm on. And taste it. You too licky, you too bumbleclaw licky no bigger body. Because me can't call a pussy a good thing. Woman a pussy. And woman a god. But this a brother here. Look here.
Yeah, elevate, that are the greatest thing.
Stop away.
Nobody we can stop me. You for me young dog, man a shooter. Faster than a shooter them. And if me miss my first shot, me I go shoot again. Just never give up, shoot for the stars until you're great, my friend.
Alright. Here my reference to shoot and shoot. He must say friend is smaller. He must shooter. He no mean like literally pick up a gun and shoot, you know. The man mean he must shoot for the stars. You see me? He must have him goals and he must work towards it. In dreams and he must work towards it. Big up Kash, dog.
Them not go ever get the chance.
Fuck are you? The dog man. Dirt man. If a dirt man. Pussy I go next. Yeah, next enough.
Songs them wanna sing, wanna know why it's fears. When me dead and gone, me know for sure I history made. Me nah follow.
You go send Duppy Bat. Go up and move. Duppy Bat you send it now. Figure kill the artist. By price did the artist drink. Look at that. You think like shit.
Some fool with them pitney ways. Dog man grown up. Life teach me so much right now, me know enough. You know, need bad energy run you. No for them, no have no love. Big up my real dogs, them. My real dogs, them. All of my clean out friends, me real G's, and my brother, I'ma call them. Big up my real dogs, them. Know if anything kick off. Me know a couple things I will offer them. Touch I go be the first to squeeze off that. Yeah, me only thought my friend.
Kash, you left yourself case, brother? Kash, you make the man knock you up? You left yourself case? Hold on, man.
Touch I go be the first to
Stab in the back.
Yeah, me only thought my friend. When man I go through my rough times in a life, dog, man I see most of them. The struggles only make.
Powerful message this, you know? Powerful the message this.
I know all my friends, yeah. Me still I find out real from fake. Every day my circle gets smaller, yo. Call me tell a long time for find real friends scarce. Who said I'm with me, touch a switch? Dog, who cares right now? That's the better for me. We go on the street, mommy and son of Jenna for real. Yeah, boy, this me then he made up for lick. Do the crime myself, man, I go call a brother for do it. Yo, the streets call. All over pretend me, know. Yeah.
Oh, so you stop the man and they say, kiki, asking of your 32 teeth, them like saying things, say everything I got nice. Eh? So you tap the man name back and think him dead. The man fix up himself, go hospital, do him surgery and forward back out. And you not care kiki like when dog a bomb buck last right. Hey, watch out.
Yeah, man, me just a be real too real to me, and it not hard for me show you. Yeah.
Just be real to your brother, someone white. When I go keep up with someone and them pussy ways, brother.
Straight.
But if I know myself, I want move still.
Big up my real dogs, them all of my clean heart friends. Yeah. One move.
Suck your mother. One on your face. Yeah, man. Prezi dead, you fuck. Prezi dead, you fuck. Fuck him. Me glad say it all happened in the video. Me glad say it never spill over to something else because I want it happen there and then. Kash, where you get them friend from, dog? Dog. Big up the production team behind the one, yeah. Kash, big up yourself, bro. See me? Big up the whole Promise Move team. Kai, big up yourself. See me? Big up the whole Promise Move team. Real message is another song, yeah. Real dogs. Big up the real dogs, yeah. No one of them are there. Round here know say, yo. I'm dead and them not left your side. You see me? Them dead through thick and thin. Them dead. Them been there from the start. Them not left now. You see me? Yeah. Big up the true G them, man. You see me? So this is how I'm going to leave down there. If you enjoyed that one, please leave a like. Please comment around there and let me know what you think about it. And the full song will be in the description below. Alright? So, run it up. Tell them say me send you. Tell them say me send you. Yeah. Send? Alright. Outside. I'll get them outside. Yes, man.